forget, please subscribe my channel Education Intercity and stay updated.
Hello, my dear friends. We will learn the basic concept of accounting program Tally in each step. Introduction of accounting. Accounting is a science to keep the data of financial management in the ledger book, classify the financial processing, and infer the financial management of business, by which any time we could know about the transaction between two parties, the profit and loss of financial year, and the information of economic situation of the business at the end of decided period, and we could find the right conclusion of its result. Who introduced Tele? S.S. Goenka was the founding chairperson of Tele Solution Private Limited in 1986. Bharat Goenka is the co-founder and managing director of Tele Solution Private Limited. So here we learn the basic rules in accounting. What it is, let's learn. When the capital is increased, then what will be happen? The amount will be credited, and decrease in capital, then debited. Increase in assets, debit. Decrease in asset, credit. Increase in liability, credit. Decrease in liabilities, then what we will do? Debit. Increase in expenses, debit. Decrease in expenses, credit. Increase in income, credit. Decrease in income, debit. So here in this we will learn the classification of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal account. Personal accounts appear in balance sheet. Personal account related to any person, firm, etc. Personal account may be further classified as natural person. Natural person be like a name like Kartik Sharma, Aradhya, etc. Representative person. Example: outstanding salaries representing employees, prepaid rent representing landlords, sales tax, excise duty representing government, etc. Artificial person. Example: companies and organization like AKP Limited, RCTC Club, etc. Real accounts. Real account appear in the balance sheet. Real account where properties and possessions are recorded like fixed and current assets. Example: cash, building, plant and machinery, etc. Nominal account related to expense and income, losses and gains. Example: sales, purchase, discount allowed, discount received, repairs, salaries, interest paid, depreciation. It is normal account appear in the profit and loss account. General rules of debit and credit. The dual aspect concept requires that when a transaction occurs, both the debit and credit elements should be recorded in the book of accounts. To ensure standardized method of recording of transaction, the rules for debit and credit of accounts were involved. The golden rules goes with the classification of accounts and may be started as this: personal accounts, debit the receiver, credit the giver; real accounts, debit what comes in, credit what goes out; nominal account, debit all expenses and loss, credit all income and gains. So after learning the golden rules of accounts, now we learn the effects of debit and credit in general. So let's move ahead. Assets: debit increase, credit decrease. Expensive: debits increase, credit decrease. Liability: credit increase, debits decrease. Capital: credit increase, debit decrease. Income: credit increase, debits decrease. What is account master? Account master is known as account chart and tally for company account. Master have account groups and voucher. It is necessary to following master for any company related to financial accounting and tally. Groups: ledger, cost category, cost center, budget, scenarios, currencies, voucher type. Reserve group that goes into balance sheet. Liabilities side. In liability side, the capital account includes reserve and surplus, while loans, liability side, loans which are shown in the liability side are bank overdraft accounts, secured loans and secured loans, current liabilities. Duties and taxes, provisions, sundry creditors. Prior, we learn about liability sides. Now we come to the point to asset side. What will be in asset side? Fixed assets, Investment. What are investment? Investment can be long term and short term. Current assets. Current assets are the assets which are less than for 1 year. For example, bank account in cash in hand, deposits, assets, loan and advances, and assets. Loan and advances are things which we have given loan, a company or a firm given loan to the person. That will be our asset. That is loan and advances. Stock in hand. Whatever stock is there in the firm is stock in hand. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors are the debtors, branch divisions, miscellaneous expenses, asset suspense account. Reserve groups that goes under P&L account. P&L account, which means profit and loss account. Income sides, which reserve groups are shown. Firstly, sales account. Sales account, direct income and direct income. Expenses sides, purchase account, direct expenses, indirect expenses. I hope guys you liked my video. Thanks for watching Education Intercity. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.